Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Nissan Sentra's oil. First, gather all your necessary tools and supplies. You'll need a 14mm socket, a wrench, an oil filter remover, a new oil filter, fresh engine oil, and a drain pan. Safety is paramount, so always use jack stands or ramps to secure your vehicle before working underneath it. This ensures a stable and safe environment for the entire process. Now that your vehicle is safely elevated, locate the oil drain plug, which is usually a 14mm bolt on the bottom of the engine. Position your drain pan directly underneath it. Carefully loosen and remove the plug, allowing all the old engine oil to drain completely into the pan. Once the oil flow slows to a drip, replace the drain plug, ideally with a new crush washer, and tighten it securely to about 25 foot-pounds. Next, locate and remove the old oil filter. Be prepared for some residual oil to drip, so keep your drain pan in position. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh engine oil to its rubber gasket. Screw on the new filter hand tight, then give it about a quarter turn with a wrench. Finally, add approximately 3 quarts of the recommended fresh engine oil through the oil fill cap on top of your engine. After adding the new oil, start your engine and let it run for a minute or two to circulate the fresh oil. Turn off the engine, wait a few minutes for the oil to settle, then check the level with your dipstick, adding more if needed. Visually inspect around the drain plug and the new oil filter for any signs of leaks. Remember to properly dispose of your used oil and filter at an approved recycling center. For other great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.